2 minutes from go.
Oh, this is nice. Where's the seat thing? What? Oh, it's the button, isn't it? Where is it? Oh, which?
Right, we're 20 seconds in.
I don't know which way.
As many of you know, I bought a new driving school car. It's a very nice car, but it's not the easiest to start and move. Especially if you've been learning to drive in an older car, just as this learner driver Phoebe has been doing. She's been having driving lessons with me, and today is going to be her first lesson in the new car. She has no idea that I'm going to set her a challenge of starting and moving the car within 2 minutes. Let's see if she can do it.
Here are 3 things that I think Phoebe will struggle with. So firstly, when she gets into the car and adjusts the seat, there's no bar at the bottom. So it's done with the buttons on the side electronically. She's never done that before. Obviously I'm going to put the seat all the way back to make it a bit more challenging. Next, starting the car. So it's keyless, start through the button, so no putting the key into the ignition. But along with that, to start the car, it's not just the clutch you have to put down, you have to make sure it's in neutral, and you also have to press the brake pedal down before you push that button. And if you don't, it does tell you on the screen. So if Phoebe looks at the screen, she will have a chance of doing it. Yeah. And finally, the parking brake, as you can see, it's electronic. All you do is push it down to switch it off. But before you push it down, your foot must be on the brake pedal, or you can accelerate, which switches it off automatically. And again, if you don't do any of those, the sign does come on the screen. Let's see if she can do it.
Right guys, so Phoebe has no idea that she's going to be doing this yet. So let me explain to her, and hopefully she agrees. How you doing, Phoebe?
I'm good.
Right, what are your thoughts on the new car?
I like it. I think it's nice.
Right, how long do you think it would take you to start the car and just move it?
Well, hopefully I'll be able to do it straight away.
You reckon? How about if I give you 2 minutes?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah?
I'm going to give you 2 minutes to start the car. All you have to do is start it, yeah?
Yeah.
Obviously, get yourself sorted safely, start it, and just move the car.
Right.
If you do that in 2 minutes, yeah, you know, because you're going to almost pass your test soon, yeah? And as a new driver, it's not cheap. So if you can do that in 2 minutes, yeah, to make the video a bit more interesting, you're going to get £100.
Put me on the spot, why don't you?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
So wait there, I've got to start the timer. Are you ready? From the moment I hand you the key, obviously I've locked the car. Ready? 2 minutes from go.
Oh, this is nice. Where's the seat thing? What? Oh, it's the button, isn't it? Where is it? Oh, which?
Right, we're 20 seconds in.
I don't know which way. Do I have to be in the right position? How do you do it? I assume that I give up.
Right, don't give up. You got loads of time yet. Still say it's 40 seconds gone.
Oh, does it go on there? No, that's not that. What's going on? Can't even move the seat forwards or backwards. I give up. I know you have to. Wait, is it one of these things? No. What am I doing? The keys are here.
Right, come on, have a little thing. What are you going to do?
Wait. Hold on. No? Is that not what I've just done? Did I not just do that? It said start the engine.
Right, 1 minute 20 seconds have passed.
How do I move this seat forward?
Right, I'm going to change those 2 minutes to 3 minutes because I'm feeling generous today. So you're halfway there. So relax. Come on, you still got time.
What am I supposed to do? If I press a button, am I going to break the car? But I still can't get the seat forward. Yes, I can. No, that's
There we
going
go.
higher up.
We're getting somewhere now.
But that's going really high up. I don't know what I'm doing.
You're getting it. That was working. What you were doing to the seat, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think. But it won't go any more forward.
2 minutes are up, so 60 seconds remaining.
I don't understand what I'm supposed to... Does that mean it's on? Because Because I watched my dad do it, and all he does is hold the button. Like that. Shit.
45 seconds remaining.
Oh, well, it's just lights are just happening.
You read what he said on the screen, yeah?
Yeah. That does that. That turns on. Everything's like too slow. So now what? Do you have to press it again? I feel like I'm just going to break it. That's a neutral.
Right. We have 15 seconds remaining.
I actually don't know what to do. Is the key supposed to go somewhere? It would be so obviously straightforward.
5,
No, I don't know.
4,
I can't do it.
3, 2.
Desperate, I've done it.
So there you go, guys. the time is up. There we go.
Are you joking? Are you freaking joking? I was doing that though.
I don't think you're pressing the pedals all the way.
Oh,
Right.
light fell. Oh.
Let's help you out with the seat part. So you know that there are. You saw the buttons there, didn't you? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's going to be other buttons as well. You know what, the one for the back. You were
Yeah.
doing it. Move that forward.
Wait, which one?
Have a play around with it. No.
Oh.
Yeah, that one. Move it like that.
I'm not liking either. What's my point? I'm too high up. But I don't understand why the seat went. I feel like I've made it a bit skewer. Why didn't I get that?
Okay, so let's see if you can move the car as well now without any help.
Fuming.
I'll move the key to the side here.
Oh, so the key doesn't actually go there. Do you not have to press like a... What's that? Auto hold. I don't want his body, I'm gonna break it.
Don't worry about breaking it. Try whatever you want. Just try and move the car if you can.
Why just put it in? Press the brake. So I'm assuming that's like when it goes like a parking brake. That's the
Yeah, that's handbrake.
just auto hold me. That's normal eco or sport. So I'm just
Good.
thinking I'm something else here. You not just have to. Oh, I'm every engine. Well, what do you use the handbrake then? What's that?
I'll take one out of the way.
To release the. Close the door with a. Oh, well, that would have my seatbelt on, wouldn't it? Don't tell me to close the doors for. Is the door not closed?
Okay, stop. Right. Okay. Right, pop into neutral for me.
Did not expect that to happen.
Pull that up. That's it. And press the button to switch it off. We got there in the end. It took a bit longer than 2 minutes. I thought this would make a good video.
I didn't want to just start pressing buttons and then to just like do something completely different.
Right. So, firstly, obviously, you know what to do with the seat now, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. To start the car, yeah, you know how in the other one we had to put the clutch down and turn the key?
Yeah.
In this one, obviously, it has to be in neutral. Yeah, I left it in gear on purpose. Yeah,
Yeah.
just to make it a bit more difficult. Yeah. Okay. But you have to press the brake pedal with it as well. So clutch pedal down for me.
Yeah.
Press the brake pedal. Keep it pressed like that. Now press the start button.
Oh, it's
That's it. You just let it go once you press it
Oh.
once. That's it.
the brake feels like it shouldn't be down that much. I think it's
Okay.
because it's so like, you know, like a well, it's
So
not
it's
really
going to be
brake.
totally different to the other car, yeah. And to move the car, you know with the parking brake here. So select first gear.
Do you just have to do the whole? Yeah. actually.
There's two ways you can do it, yeah. So you, bring that clutch pedal up for me.
You're not going to stall it.
No, bring up. No, just do the bite. That's you won't move the car because the parking brake's on, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Put the clutch a tiny bit lower. Okay. So even if you bring the, in the other car, when you if you got the biting point too high,
Yeah.
it would have still been
the car still starts to move.
Yeah.
With this one, it won't move, which is a good thing.
Yeah.
But to release it, you either gotta have your foot on the brake. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you want to release it manually like this, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Or get the biting point. That's if you press the accelerator, it'll switch off itself.
Which one? The brake?
That's it, the handbrake.
Oh.
That's it, and stop the car. You get that?
What? It's so like I'm gonna start slamming on now.
And put the. You get that
Yeah.
with the parking brake, yeah.
Yeah. What? So you just? I literally just
Press the
have to sit there
accelerator.
pressing it.
That's it, yeah. And
Oh.
they'll come off automatically.
Oh.
Okay.
Right.
You get that? So that
Yeah.
sets up nicely for our first drive in this car, yeah? Which is going to be our next video, guys. So, yeah, unfortunately Phoebe lost it on the under
I was too concerned that I was gonna start pressing something and I like roll backwards or the car would just like do something completely different. I like the steering wheel though. It's comfortable.
Cool. Yeah, we're going to get your thoughts on your first drive and see what you think of the car.
Okay.
Okay, that'll be in the next video. So, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.